My name is Paola Medina from the Eternal Company. I'll be giving a presentation to better prepare you for your new assignment located in Italy. Our main objective is to assist in creating a smooth transition to your overseas assignment by introducing the Italian culture as well as the social and business norms. We will begin this process by taking a look at Italy's culture, communication styles, tourist life, and pop culture. At the end, we will review the key learning highlights. Italy is located in southern Europe and has a population of about 60 million. Italy is known as a pillar of Western civilization. Their official language is Italian and official religion is Roman Catholicism. Italians hold strong values towards their family unit, sharing meals, and their unwavering faith. Many Italian families share the importance of upholding these traditions generation after generation. Italians identify themselves as companesimo, which is a local patriotism, in that an Italian is first and foremost a citizen of the town and region in which they were born. Connection and loyalty to one's town is often stronger than towards the country. This is not to say Italians are unpatriotic, as they are very proud of their nation. Low indulgence creates the perception that their actions are restrained by social norms and feel that indulging themselves is somewhat wrong. However, this seems to be put aside when family members are in need. So their self-indulgence is low but increases for those they love and trust. As a nation, Italians are not comfortable in ambiguous situations. Instead, they prefer formal settings. High uncertainty avoidance places stress on their lives, so Italians need to have breaks throughout the day. Italy tends to prefer an equal distribution of power. Younger generations demonstrate a preference for teamwork and exceed in an open management style. Let's dive deeper into the communication styles in Italy, starting with verbal communication. Italians are direct communicators, and it is very common for them to be open about their emotions and speak clearly about their point of view. There's an expectation to uphold similar honesty from the person they're talking to and may fail to read into understatements. Therefore, it's recommended to avoid ambiguity and indirect speech. Italian verbal communication is also very pragmatic. They tend to situations based on practicality rather than theoretical considerations. Lastly is high context. Italians do not think explanations are necessary. The communicator feels the person they are speaking to should already understand what they are trying to say. Italians are also well known for their nonverbal ways of communicating. Italians are comfortable keeping a close proximity to others and may think you are avoiding them if you move farther away from them. Italians also use physical contact and are quite affectionate. People may touch their conversation partner to show their engagement. Direct eye contact is expected and held during conversations, and Italians are naturally more expressive in their tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language. They motion with their hands to emphasize their point, so expect many gestures to be used during communication. It is wise to consider how much you use your own in comparison. As you're adapting to the new environment, it may benefit you to learn some basic phrases in Italian. From the morning until past lunch, you could say buongiorno to say good morning, and to say good evening, you would say buonasera. Information on social norms and behaviors are beneficial to your assignment. Formal greetings are preferred. Introduce yourself with a firm handshake to indicate confidence and an interest in meeting them. In an informal environment, some will kiss you on both cheeks regardless of gender when introducing themselves. Appearances matter in Italy. The way you dress can indicate your social status, family's background, and your education level. It's common for Italians to put effort into their clothing choices and respect others who do the same. The Eternal Company wants to encourage you to appreciate Italy as a tourist and have some idea of what Italians find exciting about their country. The most popular city is Italy's capital, Rome. Many people enjoy taking tours to fully appreciate the architecture and art. Of course, the cuisine in Italy is extremely popular, and there are many restaurants to choose from. Italy is also home to many beautifully built churches, which require a strict dress code. Many Italians are used to the tourism that occurs in their country, but usually take a stance of retreatism. They may avoid direct contact with tourists, as they believe some do not hold the appropriate respect for their country. The pop culture in Italy includes art. Popular artists such as Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci influenced the Renaissance and are invaluable to Italy. Fashion is also very popular in Italian culture. The concept of bella figura, or good image, is important to Italians. Bella figura extends to your aura, confidence, style, and demeanor. The eateries in Italy are a popular amenity. Each city has their own ways of preparing food and uses different techniques. Italians are loyal soccer fans, and it makes for a good connection with others. Let's now dive deeper into the business culture. Meetings are mandatory and should be scheduled 2 to 3 weeks in advance. It is common to be interrupted while speaking, or for several people to be speaking at once. People often raise their voice to be heard over others, but are not doing so in anger. Decisions are not always reached in meetings. Instead, meetings are meant for a free flow of ideas and allow everyone to have their say. Lastly, be sure to follow through on a commitment or it will destroy a business relationship. In the US, people are direct and go straight to business. In Italy, people take a more leisurely approach and want to get to know the people with whom they do business. Hierarchy is used in Italian business, as they prefer to do so with high-ranking people because they respect power and age. Also, networking can be a full-time occupation in Italy. Personal contacts allow people to get ahead. Lastly is the business culture in relationships. Italians prefer face-to-face contact and are eager to know something about you as a person before conducting business with you. Italians are intuitive, so first impressions are important. Take time to ask questions about your business colleagues' family and personal interests. Italians have a collectivist approach to business and are more prone to helping each other at work. They want to see the business as a whole improve and believe this can happen when managers hold a balance of collectivist and open communication styles. The key learning highlights include taking the time to show some thoughtfulness and consideration regarding people's lives prior to doing business with them. Speak directly as it shows more confidence and will build more trust within the workplace. Place importance to your appearance in all ways, through clothing choices, body language, and diction in your speech. Here are my references, and on behalf of the Eternal Company, good luck. Thank you.